Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to enable NFC on iPhone. On most iPhones, NFC is already enabled by default. You don't usually need to turn it on manually. It works automatically for things like contactless payments, Apple Pay, or NFC tag scanning. Just hold the top of your iPhone near an NFC tag or payment terminal. It will scan automatically. No button or toggle required on modern iPhones. And to use in Apple Wallet, open Settings. Scroll to Wallet and Apple Pay. Make sure Apple Pay is set up and cards are added. NFC works automatically once Wallet is configured. If NFC isn't working, restart your iPhone, remove bulky case, or make sure Wallet is set up. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.